You know where your assets are, but do you know what they're telling you? Asset tracking laid the foundation. Today, it's about understanding what your assets are telling you. Knowing where your assets are is only the beginning. Real decisions require context, not just location. Operations need more than a location. They need to know an asset's health, readiness, compliance, and complete service history. Location tells you where an asset is, but smarter decisions come from understanding its condition, compliance, and operational context. That's where asset intelligence comes in, bringing every asset into one complete view. It starts with 5 connected layers, each adding a deeper level of operational insight. Everything begins with location, creating the foundation for complete operational visibility. Once you know where an asset is, the next question becomes, is it ready to perform? If it is, understanding its health helps prevent failures before they interrupt your operations. Keeping assets healthy is only part of the picture. Every asset also needs complete compliance and verified records. And behind every asset is a complete story, connecting ownership, maintenance, and every lifecycle event. When these 5 layers work together, operations become faster, smarter, and far more reliable. Teams gain the confidence to make better decisions, reduce downtime, and stay ready for every audit. Instead of isolated information, every asset becomes part of one connected operational picture. Because the future belongs to organizations that don't just track assets, they truly understand them.